We're getting a new look at the universe, and it's one that's never been seen before. NASA has been releasing the first images captured from its James Webb telescope, diving into the mysteries of our galaxy and beyond.
Yeah, there's some pretty awesome pictures, and Fox 17's Lauren Coomer spoke with a Western Michigan University professor. She's done research with NASA. She knows what she's talking about, and she explains what this means for the future of space exploration.
The most powerful space telescope ever has opened up a portal to our universe from 13 billion years ago. The 5 photos released, including this one, show the most detailed view of the universe ever seen.
These images have the capability of going back to just after the Big Bang, so we can see back into the past of where we came from, up to even just 100 million years after the Big Bang occurred.
The James Webb Space Telescope observes the mysteries of the universe through infrared light and was decades in the making as a replacement for Hubble for deep space exploration.
They're looking to just see what they can see. Some of the photos that they've taken are, especially in this first group of images, are ones that Hubble already took a picture of, and they're seeing how much more detail they can get.
And they're getting that detail. As NASA says, these are some of the deepest images of the universe humans have ever seen. The distant galaxies captured in this image shows what it looked like 4.6 billion years ago.
If you were to hold a grain of sand in your fingers and point it at the sky, that's the size of the space that the James Webb is looking at, and you can see hundreds and hundreds of different galaxies and objects in the sky there.
So what does this mean for the future of deep space exploration? Dr. Lemmer saying Webb has the ability to detect the composition of atmospheres of exoplanets as seen in this spectra.
That's just super exciting about knowing our origins and where we came from. But in addition, the possibility of finding planets that could host life in other solar systems, in other galaxies, is super exciting too.
The high-res images also highlight the atmosphere of a star-orbiting exoplanet, far away stars, and other galaxies, giving a taste of what's still to come.
These images, when they come out, they're images of millions, billions of years ago. They're images of atmospheric compositions of planets that are outside of our solar system. They're just beautiful images that look like paintings. So it sparks interest in the community, in our younger generation, to get involved in space sciences and engineering.
Reporting in Kalamazoo, Lauren Coomer, Fox 17 News.